You are watching Rao Motorsports. We will be living vicariously through a novice, Karthik Rao, as he navigates his way through the world of club racing. Get ready to experience the thrill and rush of racing from his perspective. Literally. It's February 2023. We are taking the very first step in club racing by attending the SCCA racing school at Thunderhill Raceway Park. This is a 3-day school organized by the San Francisco region. Day 1 is spent getting familiar with the track and the car. On day 2, we learn about racing etiquette, rolling starts, and simulating safety car situations. On day 3, we go racing. At the end, we will be granted a novice permit that can be used to drive in SCCA regional races. Here's what we have rented for this racing school. A 1988 BMW E30 325i. This iconic street car has been transformed into a race car by stripping out its interior to reduce weight and improve agility. Under the hood is a 2.3-liter straight-six engine delivering 170 horsepower. This car is perfect for a beginner. It's time for our first official race. Qualifying was a bit of a disappointment, so we are starting in the 17th, make that 18th position. On the bright side, there will be more opportunities for passing. It's the second lap and we are heading into turn 2. We are trying to stick to the inside line, but that leaves us vulnerable on the outside, and car 4-2 seizes the opportunity. We won't be able to regain our position till we hit the back straight. Here's our chance. It's lap 6. We have finally caught up to the pack. First, we pass car 29 at turn 4. And then we pass car 8-2 on the main straight. Lap 8, heading into the last turn. Whoa, that was close. We are about to start the final lap of the race. Here comes the race leader, lapping us on the main straight. The other cars will make way for him, so why not follow in his footsteps? that brings us to the end of the first of 3 races. We finished the race in 13th place. Our fastest lap in this race was 1:32.2. Race 2 gets off to an eventful start. Car 1-2 spins off course at the exit of turn 1. He was one of 2 drivers who would eventually retire from the race. We bide our time until we get to the main straight. And then we passed 3 cars in one move at the end of the first lap. The rest of the race goes by without any more passing or incidents. We finished the race in 10th position with a fastest lap time of 1:33.1. It's the final race of the weekend. We are off to a slow start and lose 3 positions at turn 1. We will have to push really hard to get a decent result. Our first pass is car 1-5. And then we pass car 4-2 at turn 7. On lap 2, we pass stranded car 114. We pass car 29. Car 9 in the third lap. On lap 5, we pass car 154. We managed to pass 3 cars on laps 6 and 7. Car 8-2. Car 111. And finally, car 2. And that brings us to the end of the final race of the weekend. We recovered from a poor start and finished in 11th place. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Rao Motorsports. Racing school is just the beginning. Be sure to come back for the next episode, where we will be driving in our first real race. You know what to do if you don't want to miss any future episodes. Hope to see you in the next one.